We're coming on board as the official technology partner, committing 36 million shillings, both in cash and in kind, to provide seamless and speedy 4G network connectivity through the provision of 5 cell on wheels, which we popularly call a cow, not in the literal term, on the ground to support seamless connectivity during the 4-day rally event.
You didn't speak about it, but we know you have some exciting partnership with some foreign drivers who are going to run in this rally this year. How can we tap into that collaboration that Safaricom now has with these international rally drivers to tap into the rally school that will be launching on Wednesday the 27th? When we develop the talent, we tap into the government's agenda of better, which is the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. We give opportunities to our youth to get into spaces where they can become self-sufficient through sport.